Hey guys, welcome out to the channel. Today you guys can see I got some small engines here. I picked these up this morning and I'm just gonna work through these over the next coming week and try to figure out what's wrong with them, get them fixed, get them running again. The tiller is a Cub Cadet front tine tiller, garage cap. I'm not really sure on anything with this. I don't know the last time it ran, if it's ran in a while or what. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a couple years since that has ran. Then we have a Coleman generator. It's one of the like old camping ones, it looks like. Electric generator, power base series. It looks in good condition still. The gas I've already smelled and it smells horrible, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to empty all that out, but it's in good condition. And then we got this power washer, or the pressure washer, that looks like it's been sitting with some trees. And we're gonna try to get this thing running. It looks like the hose has been cut off. And we're just gonna work through this, change out oil, stuff like that. But we're gonna try to start with what I'm thinking is gonna be the easiest one, and that's gonna be this Cub Cadet tiller. So we'll take it in the shop and see if we can get it running. All right, so I'm pretty certain that the carburetor is going to need to be cleaned on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug up the ultrasonic cleaner and just get this thing plugged in, get it heated up so that we can get ready to use it. So now it's plugged in, temperature is on, and then it's just gonna sit here heating up. It's got plenty of water in it, so we should be good to go. Alright, here it is. As you can see, it's very clean. There's like absolutely no rust on there. It's just dirty, obviously, from being used as a tiller. Even the oil still looks very clean. How do we get the... So here is the air cleaner. And this looks very clean as well still. You can see there's like no dirt. So this must not have been used very much. So we're gonna go ahead and just maybe try to get it started. We may just need a simple carb cleaning, and that's it. We gotta figure out if it's even got gas first. Yeah, it's got some gas in there too. Think? Yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, so choke, we'll turn it on. This guy is an off. So let's go ahead and turn him back into the start. And we'll give it a few pulls and see if this thing will fire on over. All right, here we go. Hopefully it just goes no problem. Let's go ahead and do the normal stuff. We'll go ahead and start taking the carburetor off right here. We'll just pop that off and see what we're getting into. Our carburetor that we're going to take apart and get it thrown in that ultrasonic cleaner and get it cleaned up. Alright, so we just got the carburetor all cracked open and looking at it. The float looks like it's okay. The needle looks like it may be alright. Man, that bowl is looking in rough condition. It is looking heavily corroded with fuel. So we're gonna go ahead and get that thrown in there. We gotta get the seal off of this, and then we can get everything into the ultrasonic cleaner, let it sit for a little bit, and hopefully works everything free and will look like brand new once we get done with it. All right guys, so I did about 20 or so minutes of getting this in the parts or in the ultrasonic cleaner, and look at how much cleaner this is. It looks brand new. Wiped down everything, blew everything out. And then the most surprising thing is the bowl. There's still some like rusty stuff in there, but for the most part, look at how much cleaner it looks. And then the float just came out looking brand new. So it did what it was supposed to. So I'm really happy with this. We're gonna go ahead and get this put together, and we'll try to crank it over again. All right guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and reverse the whole entire process and get this put all back together. So we'll put this on and slide the fuel line on at the same time. Alright guys, there is the Cub Cadet. You guys saw it run. The times ran just perfect. So this was a very simple repair, just a carb clean. I think there is still like bad gas in the line that may be getting back into the carburetor, and that's why it's hunting a little bit. So I'm gonna let it run for a little while, and then maybe pop that carburetor back off, clean out the bowl a little bit better, or maybe even order a new bowl just to get a replacement on there. But the one thing I really was curious about is actually how old this was, because of how good a condition it was. And if you look on the number, the serial number, let me get focused right here. You count the 5th digit over, and that tells you the last year, or the last digit that it was year, or the year it was made. So mine is a 1, so I believe this is made in 2011. So this is just over 10 years old, and it still looks incredible, looks brand new. But again, this is the Cub Cadet FT24 front tine tiller. Everything looks good on it. Pretty much just needed a good carb cleaning, and that was it. The one thing I do know is that it is missing its little post right here. So there you guys have it. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down in the section below. This is a very clean front tine tiller. I'm very happy with this one. Good condition, easy repair. Now to get it back out into the world of tilling some dirt.